video, you'll learn what exactly is a survivorship curve and its types with examples. I try to explain science topics for students and make it easier to understand and memorize. A survivorship curve is a graphical representation that illustrates the pattern of survival for individuals in a population over their lifespan. It represents the number or proportion of individuals surviving at each age for a given species or group. Now, why go through all the trouble to create a survivorship curve? Because it's a way to visualize patterns of mortality and survival with populations over time. There are three main types of survivorship curves. They are type 1 curve, type 2 curve, and type 3 curve. The type 1 survivorship curves depict species that have a high probability of surviving to old age. These species typically experience low mortality rates during early and middle life stages and exhibit a steep decline in survivorship in old age. The shape of type 1 curve is convex. For example, humans and other large mammals have high survival in early and middle life, followed by a rapid decline in later life. Most individuals live to old age. Mortality is concentrated among the elderly. Type 2 survivorship curve represent species where the probability of survival remains relatively constant throughout the lifespan. In this case, individuals have an equal chance of dying at any age. The shape of type 2 curve is straight line, diagonal, and the pattern seen in this type of curve is constant. They trait at all ages. For example, birds, some reptiles, rodents. So this type of survivorship curve, the likelihood of dying is the same at any age. The third type of curve is type 3 curve. Type 3 survivorship curve shows species with high mortality rates in early life stages. These species produce a large number of offspring, but only a small proportion survives to adulthood. In this curve, survivorship rates decrease sharply in the early stages and level off for those individuals that survive. The shape of this curve is concave. In this curve, there is high mortality early in life, with few individuals surviving to adulthood. Fish, oysters, many plants and insects. Why study survivorship curve? Survivorship curves provide valuable insights into the life history, strategies, and survival patterns of different species. They help ecologists and population biologists understand the factors influencing mortality rates, reproductive strategies, and population dynamics. Now you can easily explain what is a survivorship curve even to a 5-year-old. If you want to know how to memorize difficult topics in an instant, click on this video.